What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we got a Burst of Destiny opening. This is Brock's and this is mine over here. And we also got some Lost Arts, some Elemental Hero Burst Tenatrix. You know, look at her.
Busting a chick.
Yeah, damn, she bad. Damn. Alright. You know, the Lost Art promo, they looking good. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, do all that good stuff. And let's get to it. Let's open Brock's. Unless you want to open it. Alright. I don't know.
We'll find out the trick right now.
Penguin Squire, Mimicking Maneater, Glowandries Toucan, Magic-y Spirit.
It's only from the back.
So, 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright.
I noticed people only do like card tricks with Pokemon.
Yeah.
That's why I never know if the Pokemon is consistent. Yugioh is it?
I mean. Alright. B-Trooper Assault Roller, Detonation Code, Versus Hit, Threshold Bird, Ice Jade Tanola, Break the Destiny, Heritage of the Light, Magic-y, and Rocket Caliber.
That's good. That's good. So I can add it.
Oh, where did I put this cards at? Whatever. Alright, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4. Transonic Bird, Flagley the Soldrum, B-Trooper Squad, Cupid, I was gonna say another word, Rebuilder, Reptilian, and Ad Libitum of Despia.
I wonder if Arnie needs another.
Yeah. Alright, you know what, I'm not even gonna do it. Gunkin Ship, Nightlight, Magical Cylinders, and ooh, Masquerade the Blazing Dragon. Despia. Penguin Ninja, Laundry Trap, Ice Jade, Magic-y Locking. Ice Jade, Break the Destiny, Heritage of the Light, Magic-y, Meowsclick, Recoil, Gunkin, B-Trooper, and that.
Damn, we still haven't pulled out like your big card, huh?
Oh yeah, the main one?
Yeah,
The cover art?
Yeah.
Hey, we looking for you, my guy.
Yeah.
Ice Jade Tanola, Giant Starfall, Cold Knight, and Sunvine.
I ain't sleeving that. Archetype.
Alright. Let's see. Sonic Tracker, Flowerdries and Toucan, Abyss Keeper, DDD Assault, and Double Disruptor Dragon. Alright. Got another Disruptor. Alright, this is Brock's last pack. Alright, my guys. Magical Cylinders, Magic-y Battle, Sonic Tracker, Nightlight, and Ad Libitum of Despia. That'll be a set for Arnie.
I think he already had 2.
Oh. Doesn't matter.
Yeah.
Alright, let's jump into mine. That's a little too shiny for you guys. Put that right there.
Look at that. Busting a tricks. Look at them things right there.
Damn, viewer discretion is advised. Not for children, guys. Flowery, Heritage of the Light, Flip Frozen, Signet Crosswhite, and Bayonet Punisher for me. I don't know. A super rare. Pitch. Alright. Apex Predation, Penguin Cleric, Outstanding Dog Mary, Giant Starfall, and ooh, secret rare, the Virtuous.
Incredible Ecclesia, the Virtuous.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm telling you, you got luck with like Yu-Gi-Oh.
Yeah, I'm sticking a Yugioh, my guy.
I really don't have luck with stuff. I just buy a ton of stuff, and eventually I have to hit on something.
Break the Destiny, Heritage of the Light, Magic Key Battle, This Keeper, and Heavy Bee Trooper, Mighty Neptune. I think that's a good one for the Bee Troopers. Another one for Blade.
Look at that. Your stack already beat mine. I had two, whatever, ultra rares.
Yeah. Apex Predation, Reptilian Cool, Sonic Tracker, Sunbind. Nobody cares about you, my guy. Brave Bird, Floundries, Starry Night. Alright.
There's a secret rare from the
Of who? Oh, yeah. Magical Cylinders, Gunkin Sunship, Apex Predation, Branded and High Spirits, Super Rare, Starry Night, Resetic, Drytron. Yeah. Alright. Got 3 packs left.
Get that secret rare.
Yeah.
Heck, that Berstentrix is worth what we spent.
Penguin Cleric, Cynic, is it?
Yeah,
Giant Starfall, Sword Soul Assessment, and Reptilian Ramification. You don't gotta. Here you want.
Yeah, I feel like that card comes out too much.
Alright. Second to the last pack. Penguin Squire, Gunkin Sunship, Magical Cylinders, Gunkin Sunship, and Lord of the Heavenly Prison Secret Rare.
Oh,
2 secret rares.
2 secret rares?
Yeah. Aren't there like 2 secret rares in the box?
You just pulled the... No one should buy anything from that box anymore.
Yeah. It's because Brock did one box and he like ran that one box out. And well, they had to open.
That Berstentrix is worth 30.
Damn.
And we basically spent 34 on
Them
these
things worth it though. Mickey Man-Eater. There's my last pack. Penguin, Sonic, and Flower and Bees Robina.
I don't know how many of these we got, but we might as well build that flow and freeze.
Yep. Alright, my guys. Let's look at Brock's pools. You know, Magic Key Spirit, add Despia, Rocky Caliber. I think that's probably his best card.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure.
Masquerade of the Blazing Dragon, Meowsclick, Double Disruptor Dragon, another Despia.
And yours?
My pools.
Your epic pools.
Floundries, Robina, Lord of the Heavenly Prison. That. Branded and High Spirits. That Bee Trooper card. The Virtuous. And Bayonet Punishers. But let's not forget the most important damn things. Let me get a zoom in for y'all guys. Damn. Alright guys, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, do all that good stuff. You know, we're going to maybe keep on opening this set.
Well, I got one more box to open.
Oh yeah, we got a whole nother box. You know, Brock got another box, so probably do that. We got some Digimon stuff to open. Pokemon, we'll get that for sure with Caesar, our boy Caesar. And we'll see y'all next time. Peace.